of my favorite things to do with the make noise René is to use it as an arpeggiator, creating a sequence of root notes on one axis while stacking chord tones above them in the other. This technique can also lead to some fun, playable combinations of notes for improvisation. Normally, an arpeggiator is used to play the notes of a chord one by one in sequence. These tools are especially important for monophonic synth voices, which cannot play multiple notes in unison, something that you may have noticed is particularly common in Eurorack. While we cannot play proper chords into René directly, we can set each column of steps to be harmonically related, and then trigger these steps in time to get the illusion of an arpeggiated passage. Let's start by routing a clock signal from tempi to the René Y clock input. I'll route the QCV output and Y gate outputs to the no coast, so we can hear our sequences. We should see and hear one column of notes play in a repeating series of notes. I'll tune the first step down to the lowest possible note, then tuning each of the above notes to a major triad. I can press and hold on each cell to freeze the sequence, making tuning a bit easier. I'll tune the top note to an octave above the root. Repeating this process, I'll set 3 more chord combinations to create a 4-chord sequence. I'll send another clock to the X clock input at 1/4 of the rate of the original clock. For each step along the X-axis, we should get 4 steps up the Y-axis playing the chord tones. On the Y function page, we can access different play directions: forward or up, backward or down, or pendulum mode. We can use other modulation sources routed to the YCV input to create different arpeggio patterns across the same notes. If I route channel 1 on maths to the YCV input, we can trigger the maths function with another clock, generating a different order and rhythmic shape to the notes. How are you getting arpeggiated sequences? Tell us about it in the comments. Thanks for watching and sharing. As always, please like, follow, and subscribe. And remember, patch smarter.